Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the key fob battery on your Infiniti G37 or even the G35 key fob. This tutorial is very easy to follow and you'll be able to get the batteries on your key fob to be brand new and it's going to work. The common symptoms would be if you're losing range on your key fob, like right now the Infiniti is over there. If I press unlock, it's not going to unlock, then that means the key fob battery is low, or if it's just plainly not working, they need to install new batteries. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Very easy to do so. I'll link up some of the batteries that I personally recommend. You can get them off of Amazon. No need to go to the dealer. It's very cheap to get those online and you can replace it at home without a problem. Alright, so here is the key fob. We're going to go ahead and replace the battery. So first thing what you want to do, you want to locate this tab in the back over here. And you want to pull this and pull on your key fob. So this is going to basically give you the emergency key access, the manual key. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pull on that tab and pull on this key fob right here. So this is the key, and now that the key is out, you can see this is what the fob looks like. That's the back of it. And you're going to want to note, you're going to locate these two tabs over here. If you look at the bottom of your key fob, there's two little notches. The camera's focusing, but it's like one on this corner, one on this corner. So if you have a flathead screwdriver, that's going to work best, but you can use a key as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use the key. I don't have a screwdriver laying around, so just use a plain old key. And you want to basically kind of insert it and pry it open. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the key. So I managed to get a little bit of opening right here, as you can see, compared to this side. So once you get a little bit of opening, it gets much easier. You're going to go ahead and kind of slide your fingers and work your way. And there we go. So you're able to, it basically splits in half. So this is where the battery is. And that's just, again, you really want to be careful to not touch it or there's no debris around it. I'm going to just rest this aside for now and show you this right now. So this G37 key fob takes CR2032. In order to take it out, you want to, again, use the key. You see right here, there's little notches on here. So you're going to insert the key in there, basically right over here, and kind of pry it open. I'm going to put it right here and gently pull. Because I've been able to lift it up, and we're going to pry a little bit more. There we go. All right. So this one is out, and this is what the key fob looks like, or this is what the battery looks like. Again, CR2032. I'll link up a couple batteries in the description below that you can buy. So once you have that, you want to get the new battery. It's important to know that you want the plus sign, which is right over here, to be at the bottom of the key fob. So it should not be facing up. That's going to be the key point right here. So we're going to go ahead and put it right here and just basically spring it back in. That's it. Very simple to do so. Just make sure it's firmly placed in there. If you do have an older key fob, you want to make sure you're careful with the springs because you don't want to break the spring, or that's going to be pretty costly. So once that's in, you're going to put both halves back. So this will just basically snap onto each other. The tight fitment. Then you look. So we got one side down now. We're gonna clamp the other one. Make sure you hear it click, so you don't want the key fob to open up on you. And then you're gonna go ahead and insert the key back right here. Oops, it's the wrong way. Right here. All right, so that's the key fob in. All right, so the battery has been replaced, and you should be able to use the G37 key fob now with the proper battery. It should be able to. The range should work now. If the key fob is completely dead, it should revive now. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to replace the key fob battery on your G37. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video. And of course, subscribe to Red 50 for more tutorials.